In the quiet moments of a new day, as the world awakens, there is a stillness, a gentle invitation to simply be. We often look for grand signs, for loud affirmations that we are on the right path. We seek daily evidence, a tangible receipt for our belief. But faith does not require this. It does not demand a daily spectacle to survive. Like a river that continues its journey to the sea, flowing steadily whether anyone is watching or not, some of the deepest faith continues quietly, without immediate visible confirmation. It resides in the silent spaces between our thoughts, in the steady rhythm of our own breath. It is a quiet knowing, a gentle hum beneath the noise of the world. This is a strength that doesn't need to announce itself. Think of a seed, buried in the darkness of the earth. Its transformation is a profound act of trust, happening entirely out of sight. It doesn't wait for applause to begin its journey toward the light. In the same way, faith often grows strongest unseen. It is nurtured in the quiet moments of perseverance, in the choice to keep going when the path is not clear. This unseen growth is where resilience is forged. There will be days of shadow, moments of doubt that feel like a persistent rain. Yet even then, the roots of our trust can deepen, drawing strength from a source we cannot see but can always feel. When the day's light fades, look to the night sky. The stars have been there all along, their light traveling across unimaginable distances to reach you, a silent testament to a universe that continues its work in the dark. Your own journey is no different. The progress you don't see, the strength you're building in quiet moments, the hope you hold on to, it is all real. It is all part of your becoming. So do not be discouraged by the silence. Let it be a space for peace, not for doubt. Let your faith be a quiet flame that warms you from within, a gentle light that needs no other audience but you. Trust quietly today, and know that it is enough.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.